peoples, and welcome back to another video of Lyric Slime. And we are making slime, so this is what it will turn out when you are done. Nice, squishy, and not sticky at all. But you will have to do a little stuff to make it not sticky. So here's what I'm doing now. That's the results. And here's what I'm doing now. Now, before I do any of this stirring, I'm going to take some contact solution. Now, I was using pink glitter glue. It's actually great for slime. And this is just some normal average baking soda. Yeah. So, and then this eye stuff, you can squirt on contacts.
So you needed a bottle of glue, a tablespoon and a half of baking soda, and
1.5.
You start with 3 tablespoons of contact solution, but we'll end up using more, huh?
Yes, definitely we will be. So before I stir any of this, I'm gonna add more. You have to add more.
We ended up using about what, 6 tablespoons?
Yeah.
That should be plenty.
That's enough. So I just stir it. Whoops, that's on the side of it. It makes it go super fast.
Ooh, it's already forming.
Oh, that was very quick. So after some forming, we're going to have to just pick it up with our hands.
And knead it.
So make sure nice and good to play with.
You want to add probably just a little more solution so you can pick it up without a mess.
Yeah, just so you know, without glue, it's impossible. I mean, I'm sure there's one ingredient to do it, but I'm sure there's one ingredient, but it's pretty hard to do. So, what I'm going to do?
Show them yours, Opes. Tell them yours glows in the dark, huh? Sister, can I see yours?
So basically, what I'm going to do is after I pick this up and get it off sticking from this. So I think that's enough.
Try picking it up and kneading it now.
But there's like some stuff I need to mix in. Oh, what is that?
That's the baking soda.
Oh, I really feel like it's time to pick up. Okay, let's get the spoon off. Ooh, barely sticky. It's still a little bit sticky. Not as much as I want. So I'm going to get the spoon cleared off. Oh, wow. Okay, so set the spoon aside. Just going to get all the rest off. Put it on my hand, because I will be I will need to take this off soon. Dude! Mommy, you forgot to say hello.
I did say hello.
Hello. Okay, the spoons are cleared off. That was a lot just from the spoon. That was my little sister.
She's saying
hello. Just gonna stir it up a little bit more. That's good.
Time to
So Sissy something. Look, Sissy's showing you something.
I know, she said hello. Grab the big wad of it first.
Oh my word. Oh, that's sticky. Really sticky.
It's sticky.
There will... Oh god. Stuck in the ball. Ah!
Do you need some more?
Definitely.
Get it off your fingers.
I'm gonna do it. Get it off.
Wait.
Still more in the bowl.
Sit it down in the bowl to absorb some of it. It's coming together.
Yeah, sort of, but still pretty sticky. Oh gosh, it's dripping. Let's get this other wad of it. Whoa. This pink slime's awesome, guys. I'm gonna use the entire bottle of glue. Spider-Man webs. Contact solution. Obi, it's a cube.
Put some on, Ups.
No, put some on. Just there. Whoa. Peoples. It's crazy. And if you're watching this, you should totally do it.
Hello.
Be perfect for you.
Hello.
Ooh, big one.
You did it.
Also, Nuna. This would be perfect for John. Our little cousin John. My cousin is bigger than me, but I am older. He's like an inch taller than me.
Hello.
It's more than an inch.
Probably a foot.
Yeah.
He's like 4 feet, and I'm like 3 feet. It's nuts, and I'm older.
Hello.
It's starting to come together really well, huh?
Yes. Oh, but this hand. This one may be faster.
Man.
Ooh, coming off well.
Man.
When you're like done with the slime mix, it's very fast actually. Just don't, like, if you're going to use a whole lot of slime, make sure you use the same amount of baking soda. Too much is way too much.
Yeah, the only thing that varies is the contact solution.
Yes, you will need a buttload of that if you make 10 bottles of it, which I'm going to do one day in my video.
So look.
But to get 10 bottles is $20. To get 10 bottles of the stuff is $20. 2 weeks of allowance.
Yeah.
So people, this is fun, and I have great news. I found my phone, so I will be doing gaming videos soon.
I will do